Hello. Oh, hello everyone. So, this is a new game, an RPG Maker horror game ulit. I found online. So, let's try this. I know, lakas ng music ang puta. We already starting agad. What's that? Grabe music. Shit, shit, agad. Okay. Someone's calling. Hello? Yeah, I know, shut up. Hello? Who is this? Shopee po. Ay, what the fuck was that? Okay. Akari? Oh shit, okay. And one. Hello. What the Oh shit, nadagdagan. Hello. Hey. Mhm. So, may tatawag? Okay. Oh shit! Okay, let's check this first. What a waste of good wine. Okay. Hello? This is Akari, isn't it? Answer, please. Shit. And seven. No reply. Hello? Hey? Where are you? Oh, someone's there. Nagbago din yung layout ng bahay. Oh, No. No. Shit. I'm walking. No. Don't die. Approaching footsteps. Oh, I just died. Walang... Okay. What's it? Nasa labas ito. Decorative flowers. Kirai Janai. Okay. I don't hate you. Oh, shit. No. It feels almost alive. I see it. I saw that. Oh, shit. Okay. Rare these days. Bakit? Hindi mo ba ito bahay? Let's turn on the TV. Oh no. Is it the Grudge? The Ring? Fuck. Okay. Mag-aral na daw ako. Not in the mood to read. I know, pero hinatak tayo na puwan. Oh, wait. Backlit souvenirs for my girlfriend. Why did they fall down? I don't know. Earthquake? It's moving. Fuck. King hell. Nande? Yeah. Why? I know tomorrow's our anniversary, but I just can't go where I want. Why don't you understand that? I don't get it. I just don't. I never missed it before. That's why I'm saying sorry. Oh, lover squirrel. Just go die. Okay. Oh, sabi ko na ba, lover squirrel. Hello. Hey, where are you? Let's see. Is there something new? None the show. There's something new. Ayoko nga magbasa po. Ay. Yeah. Why is it lit? I don't know. Can I grab something? Let's try the bed. Can I sleep? I can. And four, just let it be morning. Best ending. Slip it off. Oh, dito ako gumising. Dang. So, tawag dito. Dawing. Fuck. Approaching footsteps. Am I right? Bless you. Okay. Bless you again. Paano to? Wait. Wala to dito nun. Pagkain. Oh, I edited. Balis na pangyayari. Not feeling well. How many endings are there? Let's try everything, shall we? What is this? It reflects the room. A mirror. Aray! Tenga ko. Blood sticks on the mirror. Let's check the window. Hi! Okay, hello. Don't mind that. Hi again. Okay, sige. Oh, I said I don't want to read. Okay. Yo. Okay. Not in the mood to read. Yeah. The wine. Oh, I drank it. I drank the wine. Hangover. Yes, another best ending. Mm-hmm. So, yeah. But can I go out? Like, ending 5. Oh, what if I want to go out? Fuck you, right? Ending 2. I can't stand this room. Oh, shit. It sticks. It stays. Oh, no. Another phone call. Hello? Enough of this, okay? Please. Another ending. And scene force. Oh, wait. Wait. Hello. Hello? Hey, where are you? Wait. Uh, oh, fucking. Ah! The fuck was that? Oh shit, everything's going down. Everything's going down. Ah, fuck. Shit. Ah, shit. Akari, what do you want from me? Wait, di ka pa nababasa. August 9. In 2 days, it'll be 6 years of dating Kazuki. I decided I'll make his favorite meal. I'm sure he'll love it. August 10. Kazuki said he has an important business trip tomorrow, and I was already all done shopping. I can't even give him a present. August 11. Oh, today makes 6 years. Kazuki, I know work is rough. I was too harsh on the phone yesterday. I'm sorry. August 25th, grabe ang talon yan. Kazuki called to say he'll be back tomorrow. It feels like it's been so long. I'd better meet him at the airport. I'm sorry, Akari. I'm sorry. The fuck did you do? Ending 10. Sweetheart's Diary. Wait for me. Oh, oh, if the oh shit, puta. Ah, oh shit. Oh, what do you want? What do you want to do to me, Akari? Oh, oh shit. Every step you take, I'll be watching you. I'll come meet you tomorrow. Shit. Sa next loop. Ending 5 notice. 15 notice. I'm coming. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Ah. Here she comes. Uh, uh, let her in, okay? Akari, I why would I scold her? Hug her? That seems reasonable. Check the room. I'll if I am Kazuki, I don't know. Let's just hug her. Maybe it can appease her. May her soul rest in peace by, Akari, come here. Please don't. Please don't kill me. Oh, I won't let you be alone. I'll do whatever I can. I won't leave you. Really? Yeah. Really? Really? Really, really. I'm glad. Oh, happy end. We're together. You passed on. Ah, I can't pick anymore. Ah, paano yan? May another endings. So I guess that's it na lang. Yeah. See you, Jana.